someone died in the family with cancer and had 2 days of fasting. So how will their children pay the fasting that she left? And they instead of fasting?
If a person dies leaving days that he did not make up, we look at this person. If he fell sick and died before recovering and was unable to make up for the missed days because he was continuously sick for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and he died, we say nobody compensate or make up for these days. Why? Because Allah Azza wa Jal forgives this. But if a person was sick, he skipped 5 days of Ramadan, 2 months later he was healthy, he could have made up these 5 days, but he didn't. He waited for 5, 6 months and died. In this case, these 5 days are a debt that we have to pay on behalf of the dead by his heirs, sons, daughters, husband or wife, depending on the gender. They make up for these days and they can divide. If he has 5 children, each one fasts 1 day, these are 5 days, khalas, alhamdulillah. Can we pay money or fidya? It depends. If his illness was chronic and doctors say he could never ever fast to make them up, the answer is yes. But if he had the chance and the ability and he was lazy or late, no, you cannot pay for it, and Allah knows best.